Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I am telling you how to access premium features on TradingView. Those advanced tools that can take your trading to the next level, like more indicators, multiple charts, and real-time data. Guys, first, of course, you will need a TradingView account that I have just created. Head to the website and sign up with your email, Google, or another option. It's free to start. You'll land on the basic plan, which gives you solid charting tools but limits you to 2 indicators per chart and 1 layout. Premium features are locked behind paid plans, so let's explore how to get them. The most straightforward way, upgrade your subscription. So go to your profile, and as you can see in the top right corner we have Upgrade Now. Press on that. Right, so Essential plan starts at $12.95 per month and gets you 5 indicators and ad-free charting. Plus at $24.95 a month bumps it to 10 indicators and 4 charts per tab. Premium, which is at $49.95, unlocks everything: 25 indicators, 8 charts, and second-based alerts. Pick one, pay with a card or crypto, and you're in. Want to test premium features without paying upfront? Grab a 30-day free trial, which is available. From the pricing page, as you can see, I'm already here. Try free for 30 days, hit that on any paid plan. You'll need to enter payment details, but you won't be charged until the trial ends. Cancel anytime in your account settings if it's not for you. It's a risk-free way to explore tools like volume profile or multiple chart layouts. So here's a slick trick. Connect through a partnered broker. Some like Black Bull, Markets, or FXCM offer free access to premium features if you trade with them. For example, Black Bull credits Essential, Plus, or premium costs if you hit volume targets. 1 lot for Essential, 10 for Premium. Sign up with the broker, link it via TradingView's trading panel, and trade a bit to unlock. After that, once upgraded, trial, subscription, or broker, head to your charts. At up to 25 indicators, split your screen into 4 charts, or set crazy precise alerts. Test them out on a stock or crypto chart to feel the difference. If something's not working, log out and back in, or hit up TradingView's support. Premium users get priority help. And that's how you do it, guys. Tried any of these? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more trading hacks. See you next time.